So I'm going to show you how to hold the isolation tweezer on the left hand side. What you're going to do is you're going to use 3 fingers right here to control the pressure of the tweezer, okay? Not this, not this, okay? But 3 finger, 1, 2, 3, okay? And then these 2 fingers, you're gonna place it on their forehead. Your palm will rest on their forehead. This will ensure that you're gonna be able to work on the client for a long period of time without damaging your wrist or getting your wrist too sore. Back in the days, they used to use the straight tweezer, and with the straight tweezer, you would have to hold it like this, okay? And that's not a very effective way anymore because of the position of the hand that they had to place. So with the curved tweezer, it's the best that I find. It's going to give you more resting time. So you're gonna go like this, place your palm on the forehead, 1, 2, 3, isolate, 1, 2, 3, isolate, okay? If your nails are too long, you're gonna have to trim them. Otherwise, you're gonna find it very hard to work on the client. 1, 2, 3, okay, 1, 2, 3, and just really practice using your left hand side, opening the tweezer in and out, like this, okay. I'm gonna zoom in. All right, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay, 1, 2, 3. So in your spare time, just practicing using your left hand to control the isolation tweezer, like so.